Did you know that in the past 10 years it has been noted that suicide in teens is rising according to the CDC? That more teens are developing anxiety and depression? And this comes at an alarming time when we're dealing with all the anomalies that are occurring in society today with the pandemic and everything else that is setting your children or maybe bringing them behind. The adoption space is also mired with trauma and loss, which can lead to other unwanted social behaviors such as alcohol addiction and drug addiction, according to Dr. Paul Sutherland. Unfortunately, teens who have been sexually abused have a higher incident of drug use and addiction. It's shown that 70% of the adolescents who have been influenced by these unfortunate experiences tend to attempt suicide at a higher rate. I suppose you're asking yourself, well, what can be done? Unfortunately, so many parents have lost the joy of parenting. No one denies that parenting's hard. We all know that, especially during these days. I'd like to share some of this information with you. Don't you want to know what the indicators are that make you special and different? What drives you to become who you are? And using that to influence the way that you guide and parent your children? As a parent myself, I wish I would have had some of the information I'm about to share with you because it makes life easier, less complicated, and more understanding. I know it's sad, but unfortunately, kids don't come with a manual and parenting doesn't come with a guide. I'm offering a free workshop with an assessment to help you understand what skill sets drive you so that you can utilize your strengths to help develop your children. The next few steps are simple. Just check on the registration box below to participate in a free workshop where you'll be able to take away not only your strengths but a guide on how to use them. Don't you want to find out what your talents are so that you can lead with your strengths?